Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about Candic Owens launches Twitter attack on Chrissy Teigen over Courtney student controversy. Chrissy Teigen's personal brand has suffered a major hit after Teigen's controversial old tweets resurfaced, many of them targeting young women with aggressive and demeaning messages. Teigen temporarily left Twitter back in March, citing the cruel messages she often receives on the platform as the reason for her departure. Teigen soon returned to Twitter and, in an ironic twist, almost immediately got called out for her old abusive tweets, many of which were directed at Courtney's student. Student alleges that Teigen sent direct message encouraging students to kill themselves in 2011 and tweeted cruel and hateful remarks aimed at students. Teigen subsequently offered a public apology to students, describing herself as an attention-seeking troll. Student, however, claims that Teigen never reached out to them privately to apologize for the abusive tweets, and students illegally remain blocked by Teigen's Twitter account, so it's not clear how sincere Teigen's intentions really are. I accept her apology and forgive her, but the truth remains the same. I have never heard from her on her camp in private, wrote a student via Instagram on Wednesday. While the feud between the two seems sort of settled, controversial conservative commentator Candic Owens leaped at an opportunity to criticize Teigen and begin to retweet the most offensive example of Teigen's old tweets under the hashtag Surviving Chrissy Teigen. Owens tweeted, Chrissy Teigen has offered a public apology to Courtney student for encouraging her to commit suicide as a teenager, but only because I believe the story up. The media has given Chrissy a pass for years as she has monstrously attacked people repeatedly for simply existing. Owens, somewhere surprising, has a point. Teigen's whole tweets are alarmingly aggressive and are often aimed at vulnerable young women, while Teigen is hardly the first to receive backlash for decade-old tweets. Teigen's old tweets contrast heavily with her public image of a kind progressive feminist. Amongstly, Owens is engaging in exactly the same kind of behavior, cancel culture, that she often dismisses as unjust censorship, even celebrating the removal of Teigen's cookware line from Target following the controversy. However, as Owens continued her Twitter attack against Teigen, her rhetoric escalated and the accusations of bullying warped into something else entirely. Soon, Owens began to compare Teigen to the outside sexual predators of Hollywood, even mentioning the repugnant Jeffrey Epstein. In 2020, Teigen was famously targeted by QAnon and Pizzagate theorists who accused her of being associated with Epstein, prompting Teigen to block over 1 million Twitter accounts. Those claims were completely unfounded. All thought Epstein was a former associate of Donald Trump, a connection that doesn't seem to bother Owens, who is an outspoken Trump supporter. By comparing Teigen's bullying into the behavior of high-profile sexual predators, Owens appears to be trying to engage with the conspiracy theorists that hounded to Teigen in 2020. As far as Twitter spades go, it's a particularly nasty one. Teigen might be wise to quit Twitter once more and never bother come back.